Canceling Klarna payments can be necessary if you change your mind about a purchase or need to modify your financial commitments. Here's how to do it. Open the Klarna app. Start by launching the Klarna app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Go to your orders. Navigate to the orders or purchases section within the app. This area displays all your recent transactions. Select the order to cancel. Find the order associated with the payment you want to cancel. Click on it to view the details. Check cancellation eligibility. Review the cancellation options. If the order is eligible for cancellation, you will see a cancel order button or similar option. Follow the cancellation prompts. Click on the cancellation option and follow any prompts provided. You may need to confirm your cancellation request. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your cancellation, you will receive a confirmation notification in the app or via email. Refund processing. If the payment is successfully cancelled, Klarna will process your refund according to the retailer's policies.